Explain the salient features of the Constitution, 101st Amendment, Act, 2016. Do you think it is efficacious enough to remove cascading effect of taxes and provide for common national market for goods and services? 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The Constitution, 101st Amendment, Act, 2016 introduced the Goods and Services Tax, GST, in India. This comprehensive indirect tax system aims to simplify the taxation process and create a common national market for goods and services. Body. Key features of the GST amendment: dual GST structure. It includes central GST, CGST, and state GST, SGST, or Union Territory GST, UTGST, depending on the type of transaction. Integrated GST, IGST. This tax applies to interstate transactions and imports, managed by the central government. Destination-based taxation. GST revenue is collected by the state where goods or services are consumed, not where they are produced. GST Council. This constitutional body consists of representatives from the central government and all states union territories, responsible for GST policy. Compensation to states. To mitigate potential revenue losses, states receive compensation for 5 years after GST implementation. Benefits of GST. Removal of cascading effect. By combining various indirect taxes into one, GST simplifies the tax structure, reducing tax-on-tax issues. Enhanced compliance. The input tax credit system encourages businesses to comply, minimizing tax evasion. Facilitating a common market. GST harmonizes tax rates and removes state barriers, easing trade across states and boosting economic efficiency. Challenges of GST. Multiple tax rates. The existence of various rates can confuse businesses. Compliance burden. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, may struggle with the digital filing and complexities of the GST system. Revenue concerns for states. Some states might still face revenue losses, losing the power to levy their taxes. Conclusion. By addressing the challenges faced by businesses and states and simplifying the tax structure, the overall effectiveness of the GST system can be improved, benefiting the Indian economy.